I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to Google and make a local copy because restores can fail. Once done, plug in power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Upgrades can be large. Make sure you have at least 8 GB free and the battery above 80%. If you plan to sideload a factory image, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging now. Do this first so the device is ready for either an official OTA or a manual install. Next, check Settings System Update to see if an official Android 13 OTA is available. Tap Download and install if present. If you must install manually, download the exact factory image for your model and check the SHA-256 checksum to avoid corrupt files. On your PC, install platform tools, connect the phone, and use a DB to reboot into bootloader and fastboot to flash the image. Follow the image's README, flash boot, system. When flashing finishes, the phone will reboot into Android 13. Go through setup and check that accounts and app permissions restored correctly. If the device enters a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery and wipe cache. If that fails, reflash the factory image, ensuring the correct files and fastboot commands were used. Make sure logs and error messages are noted so you can search or ask for help. Finally, restore your data once stability is confirmed, and keep a backup in case you need to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.